Tonight, a family is moving forward with construction plans after thieves stole $40,000 worth of material from their new home.
NBC Local 33's Jonah Gilmore joining us now with the details. And Jonah, police are calling this a crime of opportunity.
The crime happened where homes are under construction in an area with no light and little traffic.
Happens and it just eviscerates you.
Jonathan Rose says the timeline to move his family in their new home is on hold thanks to a thief.
The back door was kicked in, probably about $4 grand worth of material.
He says thieves have been targeting his home, stealing from the construction site 4 times, recently taking the priciest piece of equipment.
Not a tractor. I thought I didn't have any worries with the tractor. The tractor sat here probably for about 2 weeks, and then it was just a devastating blow.
In the back of the house sits an empty sandprint where the tractor was parked. Marks in the grass shows the path thieves took to get it out.
It's really hindered us from trying to complete our project, as you can look around.
The contractor on the project says he's never seen anything like this, saying he thinks thieves took advantage of the area.
We're kind of in an area where it's not traveled very, it's low lit and it's not traveled heavily.
Baker's chief of police, Carl Dunn, says he doesn't see these types of crimes often, telling me a thief simply took advantage of an open construction site.
The reason why I call it a crime of opportunity is because somebody could be coming down the road and just look over there and look around and take that crime as an opportunity.
Now left with the $40,000 setback, this homeowner says the principle hurts more than the price tag.
It's not about the materialistic things, it's about the feeling that it creates when somebody has wronged you, especially in a theft situation, for things that you have worked for to help cultivate your dreams.
Rose tells me they're now making frequent stops to the home, and he's considering installing cameras. As for the tractor, there's no word on who swiped it, but Rose did have insurance. Reporting in the studio tonight, Jonah Gilmore, NBC Local 33 News.